To pair your JBL Tune 720 with Android smartphone, first you will need to grab your headphones like this, and then we can click and hold the power button until it says that it's in the pairing mode. And now your device should blink with the blue light right here, which indicates that we're in the pairing mode. And when we open our smartphone, we can navigate to the Bluetooth connection, and then we should be able to pair a new device, and then JBL Tune 720 should be visible and ready to pair. And now it's connected with our smartphone. Additional thing that we can do is to download the JBL headphones app from Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone. Open it, and then you'll be able to adjust the different settings for your headset right here inside of the app.